Popular technologies that won't be around much longer. Have you ever thought about what tools you use today might not be around tomorrow? Things in tech are changing quickly. Gadgets that we used to need are now systems that seem important. This video talks about some popular technologies that are about to go away. Are you holding on to something that's about to become useless? Stay with us as we show you the amazing future of our digital world. Landline phones. Landline telephones, once a standard in every house and workplace, are fast disappearing from the modern world. Because mobile phones are more convenient and portable, people are using them more and more, which has reduced the demand for landlines. Over half of American homes now only have cell phones, according to the CDC, as the number of landline phone households has been continuously falling. Landlines are rapidly becoming less relevant as internet-based communication tools like Zoom, Skype, and WhatsApp become more popular. These systems eliminate the need for traditional landlines by enabling text, video, and voice communication from almost anywhere in the world. It is anticipated that landlines will completely vanish in the next 10 years as younger generations continue to favor mobile and internet-based communication methods. Fiber media, Blu-rays, CDs, and DVDs. Our media consumption habits have been profoundly altered by the digital revolution. Digital streaming services are quickly overtaking physical formats including CDs, DVDs, and Blu-rays. Physical media is no longer necessary because to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Netflix, and Disney+, which provide enormous libraries of songs, films, and TV series at the touch of a button. Physical media sales are declining as a result of consumers favoring streaming services due to their ease of use and accessibility. Furthermore, the environmental issues surrounding the creation and disposal of physical media add to their obsolescence. With the constant advancement and expansion of streaming technologies, the days of physical media are quickly approaching. TV via cable. As more people cut the cord in favor of streaming services, cable television, once the most popular kind of entertainment at home, is rapidly declining. The emergence of on-demand services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video has fundamentally altered how people watch television by releasing them from the constraints of a cable schedule and enabling them to watch wherever they want, whenever they want. Additionally, it's now simpler than ever to stream video straight to televisions without the need for traditional cable subscriptions, thanks to the widespread use of smart TVs and gadgets like Roku, Apple TV, and Chromecast. Many have given up on cable completely due to the expensive bundles of cable and the flexibility and low cost of streaming options. Cable television will probably become outdated soon as more content becomes available online and streaming possibilities keep growing. Fax machines. Once an essential piece of workplace equipment, fax machines are quickly becoming obsolete as digital communication techniques replace them. Faxing has mostly been superseded by digital signatures, cloud-based document sharing, and email. Fax machines are less enticing in today's fast-paced digital environment due to their bulky design and the time-consuming sending and receiving of faxes. Due to legal and healthcare regulations, some companies have taken longer than others to abandon fax machines. Nonetheless, even these areas are starting to use more contemporary communication methods. Fax machines are going to become less and less common as electronic document transmission grows more efficient and secure. Separate GPS units. The days of using dedicated GPS devices for navigating are rapidly coming to an end because to smartphone apps like Google Maps, Waze, and Apple Maps. These applications include services that standalone GPS devices frequently do not, such as real-time traffic updates and suggested routes. Furthermore, separate UGS devices become less and less necessary due to the convenience of having navigation included into a smartphone, which customers already carry with them. The growing popularity of in-car infotainment systems with integrated GPS navigation reduces the need for separate devices even further. These systems are easily linked with the other aspects of the car and frequently offer more sophisticated features. Standalone GPS units are probably going to become obsolete as mobile phones and automotive systems advance. Computers on desks. Historically, desktop computers were the main device used for computing chores and internet access, but nowadays, more portable devices like laptops, tablets, and smartphones are taking their place. The increased capability and power of portable devices, which can now carry out many of the tasks that traditionally needed a desktop, has fueled the shift towards mobile computing. Many people no longer need desktop computers because of the convenience of a laptop or tablet along with cloud-based apps and storage. Although professionals and gamers who need high-performance computers still use desktops, the average consumer is shifting more and more toward portable devices. Desktop computers might become a niche product or possibly go extinct as mobile computing advances. Blu-ray and DVD players. The equipment required to play CDs, DVDs, and Blu-rays is likewise becoming less common, much like physical media itself. The need for standalone players has dramatically declined with the introduction of streaming services and digital downloads. Streaming is now a common feature of many contemporary gaming consoles and entertainment systems, which eliminates the need for standalone DVD or Blu-ray players. Furthermore, these devices are becoming obsolete faster than they should be due to the move towards ultra-high quality 4K material, which is easier to obtain through streaming platforms than physical discs. With the advancement of streaming technology and the growing quality of digital material, DVD and Blu-ray players are destined to become outdated. Conventional timepieces. Once a bedtime mainstay, the conventional alarm clock is quickly being supplanted by smartphones and smart home appliances. Many no longer feel the need for a separate alarm clock because their phones can set timers, alerts, and reminders. Smartphones are a more appealing option because of the extra convenience of configurable alarm tones, snooze settings, and connectivity with other apps. Apart from smartphones, voice-activated alarms are provided by smart speakers such as Google Home and Amazon Echo. These speakers can also be paired with other smart home appliances to establish a customized wake-up schedule. There will probably be less and less need for conventional alarm clocks as more people switch to these multipurpose gadgets. Assignable functions. More sophisticated control systems are gradually replacing the basic remote control, which has been a mainstay of living rooms for decades. Many of the tasks formerly completed by a remote control can now be completed by voice commands or smartphone apps, thanks to the popularity of smart TVs, voice-activated assistants, and mobile apps. Voice-activated assistants such as Apple Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa eliminate the need for conventional remote controls for operating TVs, sound systems, and other smart home appliances. Furthermore, a lot of smart TV makers are including motion sensors and touchscreens in their models, which makes content control more dynamic and user-friendly. The typical remote control may soon become outdated as these technologies become more widely used. Connected headsets. Wireless headphones are gradually taking the role of wired headphones, which were once the norm for personal audio. Because they are wireless and don't require tangled connections, Bluetooth headphones and earbuds like Apple's AirPods and Samsung's Galaxy Buds have been increasingly popular in recent years. Wireless audio has become more popular as a result of many current smartphones being rid of their headphone jacks. Wired headphones are expected to become a niche product or go completely out of style as wireless technology advances and offers greater sound quality and longer battery life. Digital cameras. The market for standalone digital cameras has been significantly impacted by the rise of smartphone photography. The sophisticated cameras found on modern smartphones are capable of producing photographs and videos of a quality that frequently equals or even exceeds that of entry-level digital cameras. The market for standalone digital cameras has significantly decreased as a result of consumers' preference for devices that have a capable camera built into them. The average consumer is increasingly using their smartphone for everyday photography, while professional photographers and enthusiasts continue to rely on high-end DSLR and mirrorless cameras for specialized photography. Digital cameras could eventually become a specialty item meant only for use by professionals as smartphone cameras continue to advance. Blu-ray and DVD rentals. Once dominated by massive companies like Blockbuster, the DVD and Blu-ray rental market has been in decline for years, and the few rental firms that exist are probably going to go out of business soon. The trend toward on-demand and digital streaming has almost eliminated the need for physical rentals. Renting physical CDs is no longer necessary thanks to services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Hulu, which offer enormous libraries of films and TV series for rapid streaming. Furthermore, rental services are no longer as desirable due to the ease of streaming, which enables consumers to see material on a range of devices without ever leaving their homes. Physical renting services will probably become outdated as streaming technology develops further. Many of the tools and systems we use on a daily basis are probably going to become outdated as long as technology keeps advancing at this rate. The demise of conventional technologies like landlines, physical media, and desktop computers is being driven by the advent of mobile computing, streaming services, and smart home appliances. While a few of these technologies might endure in specialized industries, the most are probably going to disappear as new breakthroughs replace them. The demise of these systems emphasizes how crucial flexibility is in the ever-evolving digital world. It's critical for consumers to keep up with current trends and be ready to accept new technologies that provide more usefulness, efficiency, and convenience. As the inventions of the future replace the instruments of today, we can anticipate even more significant changes in how we interact with technology in the years to come. Want to stay ahead of the curve and be the first to know which technologies are fading out? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to keep up with the latest trends and future predictions.